Hi friends and welcome back. So let's check out this question. If a plus b equals 10 and b plus c equals 14 and a plus c equals to 12, let's figure out what a, b and c are. So simultaneous equations, but this time we've got 3 equations and 3 unknowns, which is exactly what we need. So how would we do this? Well, let's call this equation 1, this one equation 2, and this one equation 3. So let's just add all 3 equations. And let me just make some space. So if I add the left-hand side together, so we basically have, I can make that a bit bigger, a plus a, which gives me 2a. Now let's cross them out. B plus b, which is 2b, and c plus c, which is 2c. So we just have 2a plus 2b plus 2c. And if I add my right-hand side together, you've got 10 plus 14, which is 24, plus 12, which is 36. And let me just make this a bit neater again, so we could just see what our equation was. There we go. Oops. Okay, so we've got 2a plus 2b plus 2c equals to 36. And we could actually take out a factor of 2, and you're left with a plus b plus c equals to 36. And then we could just divide both sides by 2. So that would mean that a plus b plus c is 36 divided by 2, which is 18. Okay, that's another equation we have. Let's call that equation 4. Where can we go from here? Well, we can actually do this equation, take equation 1. So let's do equation 4, take equation 1. We've got equation 4, take equation 1. So we would have this, take this. So a plus b plus c, subtract a plus b, equals to that, 18, take that, take 10. Okay, can we simplify this? We get a plus b plus c, and we're going to multiply both of these by -1. Subtract a, subtract b. 18 take 10 is 8. And now things actually simplify because we've got a take a, which is 0, b take b, which is also 0. And that tells me c is 8. Perfect. Now that we know one of these, we could work out everything else. Because we know b plus c, our second equation, equals to 14. And if c is 8, we could substitute that in. So we've got b plus 8 equals to 14. So b would just be 14 take 8. And 14 take 8 is 6. So b is 6. And we also knew that a plus c equals to 12. Let's do that over here. A plus c equals to 12. Remember, we knew c was 8. So we could substitute that in. And then we could just say a is 12 take 8. Which is 4. So a is 4. So a is 4, b is 6, and c was 8. Nice, that was a pretty fun question. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.